Hey everyone, it's Dale. And so now that we have our child theme created, now we need to see what we can do with it. So you'll notice as soon as you create your child theme and then go into the editor, you're going to have two files there. One is the style sheet, which that's where you'll put all your customized style. That's the main reason to create a child theme, so that you can have that customization and have it stick around, even if you have to update the main theme. The only other file you have there is a functions.php file, and there might be the chance or the situation where you want to change some of those PHP files that were part of the parent theme. The one that I can think of most is probably the footer, because you might want to change some of the stuff that is actually in the footer. So I'm going to walk you through that process real quick. The first thing you need to do is right here, you'll notice there's a link for the parent theme. If you just click on that, it will take you to all the parent theme files here. So find the one that you want to change. So for instance, I want to change the footer. And you're going to have to now create another file that will house all of this. So I'm going to copy and paste everything that was inside of that. And I'm going to create a new document here. And I'm going to get rid of all of this. And I'm just going to copy and paste all of that. And then I'm going to want to go to Save As, and I'm going to save this as footer.php. And I'm just going to save this to my desktop for right now. Now, if I go back to my browser here, I've already logged into Reclaim Hosting's file manager. I'm going to want to click on the subdomain. I want to double click on WP content, on themes, and I want to find that specific child theme. So again, here it is right here, 2016 child. There's our functions.php. There's that style sheet. And so now I want to upload that footer.php file there. So now that that's done, I can go back to my child theme. And now we have our footer option there in PHP. And this is where you can now go in and change the wording that's in the footer. So let's look at the site. Here's the footer down here. You'll notice it has the name of the site along with a link to that. And then it says proudly powered by WordPress with a link to wordpress.org. So let's say I'm cool with the name being here. That's fine. But here I'd rather have maybe my last date updated, and then maybe some copyright notice. So you have to use a little bit of logic to understand PHP. What I'm looking for is this phrase right here in the footer.php file. And again, now I'm working inside the child theme. So you want to start looking down for this. And if you notice right here, we've got a couple of spans here where you see an A tag and an href, which that instantly got my eye because both of those were links. I could go into a search function and actually search for those words. So you see here I already had proudly powered. So here is where that proudly powered by line is. If you look right here, it's telling it wants to link the home URL to the name. So you don't have to mess with any of that, but I want to get rid of this proudly powered by WordPress link right here. And so I'm going to, and you notice also this is where we're telling it to link. So if I just get rid of all of this, and now I could say copyright 2016, and then I'm going to keep that same response there. And let's just say last date updated. Today is November 16, 2016. So now I'm going to save that inside the child theme. And let's go back to the main site and scroll down. And now you'll see we have the footer updated in the way we would like it down here. We have the name, we have the copyright, and we have the last date updated.